DNS Explained and how to translate your domain name to an IP address. Welcome to this introductory video on translating your domain name to an IP address. So what is DNS? DNS, Domain Name System, translates easy-to-read websites to an IP address that machines understand. So how does it work? When you type a website into a browser, it makes a DNS query, which asks, what is the IP address for the website? You might hear the website called a hostname, domain, or website. Before discussing how the browser gets the IP address, let's understand some terminology about the website. Let's break down cyberchristy.com. The domain is cyberchristy. The top-level domain is .com. Meet Ethan and Anne. Ethan wants to call his mom, but doesn't know her phone number. Like Ethan, humans understand names, and computers understand IP addresses. DNS, or Domain Name System, helps us communicate with the world by providing an IP address for a domain name or website. Ethan tells Anne to call my mom.
Hey Anne, call my mom.
But he doesn't give her a phone number. Ethan thinks,
maybe her number is in Anne's favorites, and she can push a couple of buttons and my mom will answer.
This scenario would be similar to the IP address stored in the browser's cache. The cache is a temporary storage that is quick and easy to access. If the phone number is not in Anne's favorite, she checks the contact directory for Ethan's mom's number. The browser would check with the DNS Resolver, which checks its cache for the website. If the DNS Resolver has a current IP address for cyberchristy.com, it will send back the IP address. If it does not, it will send back the IP address to the DNS Root Server. If state phone books existed, the DNS Root Server would resemble a state phone book listing where you can find all the county or city phone books. When Anne asks, what state does your mom live in? It is similar to the DNS Root Server asking, what is your top-level domain? The top-level domain for cyberchristy.com is .com. For a college or high school, it might be .edu, or for RaleighISSA.org, the top-level domain is .org. Anne determined that Ethan's mom lives in Washington State. She accessed the Washington State directory and determined that his mom's phone number would be in Skagit County's phone book. They looked up Skagit County's phone book and found her number. Finding the county phone book and looking up what county his mom lives in is similar to the DNS Resolver contacting the top-level domain server to determine that the server has the IP address for the website. Next, Anne looks up Ethan's mom's phone number in the Skagit County phone book. Skagit County's phone book provided the information on how to contact Ethan's mom. The Authoritative DNS server provides definitive answers in response to the DNS queries, which map the IP address to the website. Finally, the Authoritative Domain Name System server sends the IP address to the resolver, which then sends the IP address to the browser. The client can now connect to the web server using the obtained IP address. This last act is similar to Anne writing Ethan's mom number on a paper and handing it to him, and Ethan calling his mom.
Hey Mom, are you there?